Parang ninja na po, no?
Love you!
Hi! Nakapasok na po ba lahat? Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming. Pero pumapasok pa lang kasi they're still coming in, right? So, yeah. Is there space? May space po ba?
Full house.
May space pa po. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kita niyo po ba?
All right, now let's start the first with homecoming and sing again. Questions for Gwen.
Yes.
Gwen, welcome home. After everything that has happened to sing again and your journey in Korea, how does it feel to be officially back to the Philippines and meet your fans?
Oh, I'm so happy to be back and definitely what do you call this? Iba po yung feeling of home. And I think I've been in Korea for about 2 years now. And it's definitely, I don't know, home is home. So I'm definitely good, to be back home. Okay lang po ba kayo that?
Life in Korea has changed a lot. What do you think that changed the most about Gwen Dorado since Filipino fans saw you last?
What changed in me? Is that the question? I guess more confidence, I would say. I came back with more confidence. Yes, and of course, dahil not just strength and skill alone, but also because of all of you guys, you have my back. So thank you so much for that.
Next question is, you've been building your career primarily in Korea, but our physically can't be in two places at the same time. Does that make moments like today feel even more special to you?
Can you repeat the question?
Oh, sorry. You've been building your career primarily in Korea and aren't be able to be in the Philippines all the time. Does that make moments like today feel even more special to you?
Definitely. Today has been really special. Like the moment I stepped on Philippine ground, parang pang Miss Universe na sabi ko. But yeah, the moment I stepped here, sabi ko, this is home, and I would like to spend every second, every moment a special one. Siyempre, with my family as well, and of course with my Dorajas. Yes! So yeah.
When you knew you were finally coming back to Manila, what were you most excited about, except family and food?
Oh, food. Definitely
Except
food.
family and food.
Except family and food. Of course, meeting all of you guys. Diba? Meeting all of you, and besides food, siguro, I guess there's something with the hospitality of Filipinos. Tama po ba? Yeah. Filipinos are definitely hospitable. And na-miss ko po yung feeling ko na yun na, mga, uy, Pinoy, may ganun pa. So, uy, Philippines! Uy, Philippines! Yes.
What was the first thing you wanted to do or eat when you came back home?
First thing I wanted to eat, sopas.
Sopas!
I remember last night. I think I came here mga 11 p.m., 12 a.m. So I said to my dad, sabi ko, gusto ko ng sopas, gusto ko ng soup. And so dad got me sa 7-Eleven na sopas kasi yun lang yung bukas. Anyway, I got soup. So that's the first thing I wanted to eat. Pero I think right now, what I really wanted to eat is, ano ba? Kare-kare? Sino mo gusto dito ng kare-kare? Oh, kare-kare fans! May paluto po kayo. Meron po kayo. Yes, that's it.
Wonderful. Now, next category is Korea and your journey. What was the most exciting part about building your career in Korea?
Oh, the most exciting part was I was wondering and imagining if I get to, work hard here in Korea, I could go back to the Philippines and represent the Philippines as well, and be proud of my country, and this friendship between Korea and the Philippines, diba, maging stronger in a sense. So yeah, it's definitely 영광입니다. 너무 영광입니다. 한국어, 영어로 뭐지? I forgot what it
It's an
is.
honor.
It's an honor, yes. Kalimutan ko na po mag-English. Yes.
Great. What has Korea taught you as an artist that you want to bring back and show your Filipino fans?
Oh. A skill that I learned.
Or whatever you learn. It doesn't have to be a skill, but maybe it could be an experience or, anything you've learned throughout the journey maybe.
Something that I learned in Korea that I want to share to my fans. Siguro yung pali-pali culture. Do you guys know that? Pali-pali culture. Sa una, syempre, I got really, what do you call this, like shocked about the culture. Pero, I got used to it, so pati ako double time po ako. So, I think that's a good habit to learn. Pero at the same time, when you're in the Philippines, all is parang, relax, you're with family, right? So, hindi kailangan bumilis, ano ba tawag sa Tagalog? Magmadali. Oh my God. Yes, hindi kailangan magmadali. Just spend this time with family. So, I think a balance of both is a good skill to learn. So, yeah.
Right. Is there something about your life in Korea that you wish your Filipino fans could experience with you for one day?
Oh, in Korea? Siguro yung lamig. Yung winter po talaga. Yung winter. As in, hindi po ako makapaniwala. Like, dati dream ko pong makapunta sa Korea and, experience winter. Pero after living for a while, sabi ko, talagang Pinoy po talaga ako, yung balat ko. So, yeah, definitely try winter, for vacation. Pero living there and then experiencing winter, definitely something to think about. So.
Okay, now today let's talk about today and the fans.
Yes.
This is your first official fan meetup in the Philippines and
Yes,
When you just walked in the door and saw everyone here today, what's going through your mind?
I don't know, I was just shocked that everyone is here. Parang ninja po ako pumunta kanina. Hello po, ako po si Gwen. Pwede po pumasok. Anyway, so yeah, I was just really excited to see all of you and makausap po kayo face to face. Yeah, I keep seeing every time sa online lang po is, Facebook and all that. Pero I actually didn't expect a lot of people to come here. Actually, ilan po nag-register? 500 plus daw po nag-register. What? Kaso itong cafe, we can't handle 500 people. So, yeah. Talaga po, parang maging sardinas na po tayo pag gano'n. But yeah, I'm so happy to be here and to see all of your faces, your beautiful faces.
Now, you've performed for audiences before, but how did it feel today when people in front of you are your own fans back home?
Oh, mas may confidence po ako kanina, definitely. More than being alone. Feeling ko, from the moment you guys said, "Wow!" So yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for supporting.
Is there something that you've wanted to tell your fans Filipino fans a long time, but haven't had the opportunity to say it in person?
Oh, mahal ko po kayo. Yeah. I haven't said that in person.
After meeting everyone today, it's a dull question a little bit. Does it make you want to come back to the Philippines more often?
Oh, definitely. I'll be coming back to the Philippines more often.
Would there be a show?
Would there be a
concert?
show? Of course
Would
there
there be
will.
a concert?
Of course there will. Yes. So, syempre wala pa pong date, but of course I'm gonna come back to the Philippines. This is my home.
Wonderful. Now, what comes next is our next category.
Yes.
Today,
I heard they wrote some notes. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Today's meetup is quite intimate, but what do the next time there'll be a much bigger fan meetup and fan signing. What would you personally love to do with your fans next time? Does it come to your mind right now?
Boodle fight? Boodle fight? Should we do boodle fight? What should we do? May suggestion po ba kayo? Any suggestion? What activity? 사gyup? 삼겹살! 다 같이 삼겹살 먹고 싶대요. They wanted to eat Samgyeopsal all together. Oh, that's a good idea. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo paano po kumain ng samgyeopsal. Ganun.
Now let's go. Wonderful, wonderful. Now if we go into the next section of interview, I want you to pick out 5 questions from the table
Okay.
here, and then please read them on
Let's
the
pick.
table, and I'll read one by one. Or you can take them because I can tell you Tagalog. It'd be alright. You take 5 and read one by one. Okay? And please take them back to your seat.
I got 5. Okay, let's start. When will be the next fan meet event in the Philippines?
Next agad.
Next po agad? Next po agad? Bukas? Next, when is the next fan meet in the Philippines? Definitely, but I think I would make it this year again. This year again. Next event. So yeah,
Oh, okay.
please wait this year. What would be the tentative date of your upcoming album? What would you say, Mr. Kim? This year? We're waiting for this year.
We're trying.
Yeah,
We're trying.
it's a secret na lang. Secret na lang po. Pwede naman po secret.
But, we are trying. It's not like we're
Yeah,
we are trying.
we have a few demos and we're actually recording and all that. So yeah, can you please sing a few lines of your favorite Korean ballad song? Whoa, it's my favorite Korean ballad song. 뭐 세월이 가면?
네, 네.
I think it's my favorite right now.
너무 좋아.
Ah, seori gamen. Ah, or may narinig po ako na only then. Gusto niya. Kayo po yan! Wow, it's been so long. Ano ba yung chorus nun? What's the chorus of Roy Kim's Only Then? 까먹었네. 네? 네? 아, 핸드폰 있으세요? 혹시 불려도 되나요? Yes! Favorite, sino po favorite Only Then? Oh, may Roy Kim fans po ba dito? There is?
Naganda mo yung ranking na kanta.
Ah, hindi niyo po alam yung Roy Kim na kanta.
Hindi ko sabihin.
Wow! Thank you po. Roy Kim Only Then. Ah, 세월이 가면? Sige. As time goes by then. Let's do that one too. 뭐였더라? 네가 다른 사람이 좋아지면 내 해가 넘는 게 익숙해지는 때가 오면 그때가 되면 그때 헤어지면 돼.
Ayoko na, nalak na ako!
And of course, we have 세월이 가면. 세월이 가면.
너무 좋아, 너무 좋아.
아, 오랜만이다. It's been so long.
오, dumami.
세월이 가면 가슴이 터질 듯한 그리운 마음이야 있는데 해도 한없이 소중했던 사랑이 있었음을 잊지 말고 기억해줘요. Marunong din po pala kayo. Korea? 어머! 어머! 한국 사람이에요? Are you Korean? 네? Anyway, oh, thank you so much. We got a new... Okay. If you're given a chance to collaborate with a P-pop or OPM artist, who will you collaborate with? Ang dami po, ang dami po. Ah, who should I begin with? Sino ba? Oh, KZ Tandingan. Yes. KZ Tandingan. Of course, si ang OG TJ Montero as well. Yeah. Wow, may yes, of course, K-pop. Of course. Sana may meet ko siya sa Korea. P-pop artists or OPM artists? Siguro, I would go with Juan Carlos. Juan Carlos, super. Yeah, super. Ano ulit yung buwan? Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan. Ano yung next nun? Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw sa dilaw na buwan. Thank you. Thanks so much. And meron din po tayong Korean version. I'll read this first in Korean. 안녕하세요. 뭐라 해야 돼? 첫 번째, 도청쿠 vs 버터떡. Sino po nakakalam ng Dubai chocolate cookie? Yeah, all the way from Korea, right? And we have butter rice cake. Definitely, siguro I would choose butter rice cake. Para po siyang palitaw na ginawang fried. Fina-fry ba ang palitaw? Hindi ko na, binoboil, no? Basta palitaw na fried. So yeah, I would go for butter rice cake. 버터떡 좋아합니다. 두 번째, 한국과 필리핀 포함 가장 좋아하는 계절. 계절? Season? Is that correct? Like, what's my favorite season in Korea and in the Philippines? I would say summer. I think I'm a summer,
You're gonna slip.
Summer, yeah. Masyado pong winter. Di po ako makagalaw. Yeah, hindi po pwede. So, definitely summer. Pero there has been a time in Korea na sobrang mas mainit pa sa Korea kaysa sa Philippines.
Sobrang humid.
Sobrang humid. And alam niyo naman po doon, so mabundok. So imbes na the wind blows, wala po talaga as in tahimik yung And then pagkalabas niyo, lang, ang tawag dito, parang sauna. So yeah. Sabi ko, hindi. Pero more than winter, I definitely love summer. So I would go for summer. Number 3. 배워보고 싶은, 뭐라 해야 되지 이거? 배우고 싶은 배워보고 싶은 운동. What is my favorite what is an exercise
I want to learn.
that I want to learn? Ano bang exercise naman? Pickleball? Pickleball, di ba famous po yan? Pickleball or ano ba meron? Siguro, I'm actually afraid of the ocean. Pero, I want to conquer my fear, so definitely scuba diving. Something I want to do, so yeah. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much. Yes.
Now, continue on with the topic of what comes next. A lot of fans are waiting for your own music, as mentioned in the question. What kind of When Dorado do you want everyone to discover through your upcoming album?
Oh, definitely not the Sing Again version anymore. So, and the next album, I would say more mature, pero still has that, pure heart, of course, di po mawawala yun. But definitely, the songs will be more mature, and I'm actually starting to learn how to write Korean lyrics. So definitely, yun din po yung gusto kong i-release. So yeah, definitely something to show you guys kasi what I've learned. So I think that's a really meaningful song.
Next question. When you're a little bit related, but when that album finally comes out, what do you hope the Filipino fans would feel when they listen to it?
When the album comes out, I think the same feeling you guys felt nung Sing Again. Just that pure intention And definitely, not just my own story, but yung makarelate din po kayo, you know. And kahit na it's in Korean, kahit na it's in English, I think that doesn't matter. Pero I want you guys to expect that the live version is supposed to be better than the studio version. So I'll be doing more live events.
Yay!
Next question is, you're continuing your journey in Korea, but you're also beginning a new chapter in the Philippines, you know, back and forth. What can your fans look forward from you from now on, you think?
From now on, I think I'll just be coming back a lot sa Philippines, so you can hold on to that promise. So yeah, I'll be coming back, guys.
And finally, last question. When you someday come back with the album, bigger performances, bigger fans, but this would be the first one, right?
Yes,
There's
of course.
never a second first.
Yeah.
What would make you feel that you've made the Philippines proud?
What would make me feel like the Philippines is proud?
Like, what do you think?
Oh, they're already proud, they said. They're already proud. I guess all of you guys. Yes, this kayo lang po alone is already enough for me. So thank you so much for making my day, for making, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Gwen.
guys.
And starting from people in the front, we will take pictures
Let's go take
with Gwen.
pictures.
First off, let's take a group picture
Oh.
together,
Yeah.
together with everyone, and then we'll take everyone in the hall with 3 to 1 take pictures. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah,
sure.
great. One
No
second.
problem. Let's do group picture level one.
And just to let you know, my voice is fine. You do not have the right to upload my video. Okay?
Kamusta po yung... ako po pala yan. Ako po pala. Nahiya po ako bigla. Anyway, should we take a picture like this? Pwede po ba, can we do a video where I go, dito? Kalimutan ko. Oh, syempre, tatag po kayo. Sorry. Nawala po yung po. Syempre, tatag po kayo. Hold on. Ano pa? Ano pwede natin sabihin? Torajas, 사랑해요! Should we do that? 사랑해요! Okay. 하나, 둘, 셋. 토라자! 좋습니다. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much.
Should we take pictures all together? What, like one by one? Three, okay. Should I stay here? Okay. Sure, no problem.
Let's start from here.
May favorite, ask ko ba, may favorite po kayong performance out of the 5 that I did kanina? Na mag-ingat po kayo pa uwi. Thank you po!